Hey everyone, I'm Jalene Andrews. Big changes are taking off at Bradley International Airport. From expanding security checkpoints to upgrading exit corridors. These renovations and more are designed with travelers in mind.
A lot of changes here at Bradley International Airport. As you know, we're all about customer experience, and this summer we're making travel even easier for our passengers.
Bradley International Airport is the largest airport in the state, offering more than 45 non-stop flights to destinations across the United States, Caribbean, Bermuda, and Ireland. Alyssa Sissick, Bradley spokesperson, with an update on the status of multiple projects.
We're unveiling 2 new exit lanes. The first one has already opened. The second one will be opening up probably around the September time.
The new exit corridors are located on either side of the terminal. The East Corridor is already up and running for passengers.
It will make much easier and quicker access to baggage claim, rental cars, public transportation, and to meet with loved ones.
These new corridors replace the main exit lane that was located in the middle of the terminal and is now permanently closed. This space will be used to expand the TSA checkpoint and provide additional space for queuing. The other big construction project is a new building located behind the Sheraton Hotel, which will house 3 additional gates and serve as a new baggage screening area, which means the existing screening machines located throughout the terminal will be removed.
It will be a much more smoother process for passengers who will just leave their luggage with the airline agent and will not need to do anything beyond that.
All renovations are scheduled to be completed by the end of the year.
Right now we serve nearly 7 million passengers and we hope to be growing. And with these changes, we just want to make sure that we're prepared for the future growth, but also make it comfortable for our passengers as they travel in the near future here at the airport.
And you can learn more about all these exciting new updates at bradleyairport.com. For CT Buzz, I'm Jalene Andrews.